Hi, this is Ben, and I'm looking at Lego Set 21140. This is the Minecraft chicken coop. This is a chicken coop that is in the shape of a chicken and is super cute. The set is 198 pieces, and it comes with an Alex minifigure, a cute little tamed wolf. There's a chicken banner there, 2 adult chickens, as well as a little baby chicken. There are 2 eggs that come with this set, and a fun little mechanism that you can see in the back of the chicken here. Here we have a little treasure chest. The treasure chest has a few fun things, including bone and an axe. But what really is the fun part of this is that this can be used to catch your chicken eggs. So what we first do is we take the egg and we put it into the hen house. There's already one in there. You can see it. Now, if we want to retrieve that, all we have to do is pull the little lever in the back. Make sure the chest is open. Pull the little lever in the back. And we'll release the egg into the treasure chest. Super fun little set, and this would be fun to play with on your own. Set it up by itself, or you can combine it with other Minecraft sets to make an even larger display. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.